Today, in the international media, there is a virulent propaganda regarding Islam. Every day, misinformation about Islam is spread in the media. According to me, the most important and authentic website in the world, replying to the questions on Islam and removing the misconception about Islam, is Islam QA, which is supervised by Sheikh Saleh Al-Munajjid. Islam QA is removing misconceptions about Islam since the last 25 years, and today it is available in 16 different languages. I request the Muslims to visit this website and increase your knowledge. I urge the Muslim brothers and sisters to donate generously to Islam QA, especially in these 10 days of Ramadan, so that they continue and grow, and you too earn thawabs and blessings. Visit islamqa.info and donate generously.